Her father reported her missing, and a few days after, her burnt remains were found. Now her father is the one who is being reported by the police that he's a person of interest. Odd, isn't it? But here's the sad part. It's not surprising. That's the sad reality that we're living in, where a situation, a case like this, where a child, a young girl, went missing and then her burnt remains were found. Her father being a person of interest is not surprising. That's sad. That's really sad. But yeah, those are just my thoughts on the matter. If you are a family member, a close friend, someone that knows of the family, and you'd be willing to talk to me, please let me know in the comment section or send me a DM. I would love to talk to you. Alright? Yeah.